like them. Jamming on the beat. Sucks me out and doing like them.
Hi guys, hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. Welcome, glad to have you. And if you're coming back, thanks. And I'd just like to ask a quick, hit that subscribe button. It helps. Okay, I have version 1 and 2. And these are $6.97. And you always get your value. I mean, $6.97. And it's seasonal. So 4 times a year, $7 4 times a year. Just $24, you know. You're going to get your money's worth. So I went ahead and did take the plastic off because it does come in plastic. And they always, when you open it up, it looks like this. And they give you a paper and it shows you all the things you could have got. So we will just go. Okay, first thing I'm getting is Nair Face and Bikini Wax Ready Strips. And I do kind of like these. For a 40 count is $6.97 and we got 8. I got some off too that are pretty strong. And then we got translucent baking powder. And full size is $7.98. But we got 0.35. And that is, I'll do all the math and put it on the screen for you. I do that. And it's just a loose powder in here. See, it's just a loose powder. That's all that is. And it's translucent. Okay, and then we got Cerve Anti-Dandruff Conditioner and Shampoo in this one. And full size of this is $9.97 for 12 ounces. And we got 1 ounce. So, like I said, I will do the math. Then we got our Degree deodorant spray. Full size is $6.12 for 3.8 ounces. But I'll tell you what, I love these things. I put them in my purse. And because you just never know. But I do love them. So that was the first one. And I'll be honest with you, this is not as good as they normally are. This is one of the ones that I could take or leave. But sometimes they have a lot of full-size items, you know, and we've gotten candles. We got all kinds of interesting things. But this one is the same way. And I'm not sure if this is the same or different. Kind of looks different. But maybe not. No, it's not different. But this just tells you what you can get. And of course we have another Degree, which is fine. I'll throw it in my purse. And then we have another Cerve shampoo. And then we have NYX Professional Makeup Face Glue Gripping Primer. And full size $8.97. And this is just a 10 packet, one-time use packet. So, and then we have COVERGIRL SuperCloud Lash Blast Weightless 125 up to about 125%. That's what that looks like, and that's full size. And that is $12.99. So they're just paid for both your boxes, just about. I'm a true believer that you need to wear waterproof, and I can't see if it's waterproof on here or not. So it's probably not, because usually if it is, it says it right away. So anyway, there's that. And then we've got Sally Hansen Perfect Press-On Nails. And they look like that. They look like that. And those are $7.48 and it's full size. So, you know, between these and just this and the mascara, you've gotten your money back. So it's always well worth it. So anyway, that's what you see here. Come on back, like, subscribe, do the YouTube stuff.